Do. Hi guys.
I'm
Hi,
an
guys.
alien.
Hi guys. I come in peace. Can you see my peace sign? Peace.
Wait. Wait. I look like that guy with the big chin.
Big chin.
Oh.
We just found out Rachel
That I'm
can't
pregnant.
Oops. No. Wait, are you?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
For a baby? On the pregnancy test, you're positive? Oh gosh.
I'm gonna name him
Charlie?
Joseph.
Joseph? No, name him Jesus.
He's gonna have a boat.
Hey guys, guess what? I love boobies. I'm representing on these things.
What thing?
My tits. Okay.
Ah, where'd we go?
Ow.
I'm so mad.
Oh, look at my butt. Ew.
Look at your butt.
My pants are falling down. Ow!
You look funny.
Ow. I just hit my head.
Are
My
you okay?
ear. No, I just hit my ear on your shoulder.
Are you okay?
Look at my bangs.
Holy hell!
No, wait, go back. Look at my bangs.
That's funny. That's beautiful. You're beautiful. Okay, Sarah, guess what?
That's what.
It's supposed to go. I love you. We're in a heart.
I love you, Rachel. Mwah.
Yay.
We're blood sisters. We love each other.
Watch out!
What?
Watch out!
Oh, God! Oh,
Jesus.
my God. Rachel, I'm sorry, but you're taking the fall.
Oh, that's
Oh.
fine. What's this one? Oh, that's stupid. Oh, look at it, because it snows.
Look at how big this side of my face looks. Your wrist is burp.
Ew.
It's a Jolly Rancher.
Look at it, it's a dick.
It's a Jolly Rancher.
Watch, it's a dick.
No.
I'm ready. Oh. Watch this. Okay, watch this. What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. Like that blue?
Blue. Mhm. Are you giving me a dick to play with?
Yeah, you've always wanted one.
I'm seriously going to get you. No, that doesn't even look like a dick. That. You need to do it thinner. You gotta give it hair. You gotta give it hair, Rachel.
Okay. What's this?
Oh
my God.
See, that's the stuff that I was poking in the other video.
Funny.
No, click some more on the screen and the X will show up. In blue. My mouth is rated X. I do some nasty
she
things.
does with her.
I do some nasty things with his mouth.
Oh, shit.
Her dick. In my mouth all day. And maybe some others, you know.
Crying.
Maybe some others, but usually hers.
Okay. There's a hole in it.
There's a hole in my dick.
Wait, I'm not done.
Oh.
What the fuck? I didn't even press it. That's its hair.
It's long hair.
Painted to my like
oh,
it?
it's
You like
fruity!
Whoa!
It's fruity!
Can you eat fruit today?
Oh,
Where'd it go?
it's gone. That's too bad.
Right, color. Purple! Aww. Hey Sarah, guess what?
What?
You're such a square.
You know what you are? You're such a circle.
Circle, circle, dot, dot.
Uh-huh, I got my cootie shot. Uh-huh, I think that girl is hot. Uh-huh, I think
Look at, I
forgot
have
what the
Coke.
other part was. I think that girl is hot. Uh-huh, I give her booty shot. That booty's hot. Make it drop to the drop, 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 to the drop, 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 to the make it drop. To the floor. Give me some more.
It looks like a snow globe outside.
Her mom said that to her in a text message. Such a loser. No, but yeah, this bitch was supposed to sleep over tonight. And guess what? This bitch
you're
can't.
like making me fall off the bed.
Sorry.
Watch this, watch this. Monkey!
Ooh. Hey Rachel, look, it looks like I'm having sex in the back.
Oh, oh. I'm gonna touch it.
Oh, my ass. Oh. Oh, is it sharp? Is it sharp? Ow!
I'm gonna change the color.
Oh.
Once I fall in love, and you, the girl that fills my heart. Look at my mouth.
That one's on my face. Get rid of it. Oh, look, computer. Look at computer. I got any belly button. Can you see it?
Can you webcam someone?
I don't know.
Oh. I want to do something.
I want to show up my belly button.
Oh, cool. I can look at you.
Hey, I wonder if I can hear the music, because we never did that sound check.
Oh yeah, I have to put every sticker on, then we can look. Oh, I have a minute to put every sticker on. I can do this.
Shit, okay.
Okay. This is really difficult. Okay. Whoa.
You're losing time. 40 seconds.
Ha!
30 seconds.
So you must be up. You just drawed me?
No.
Oh.
I just like kind of sprayed.
I could have thought you drew about me.
10 seconds.
Get myself like 20 more.
Stop!